Hi everyone, I'm Daphne from FMS 7576 and today's topic in Make It In 2 is how to use screwdrivers correctly.
There are two main types of screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips. Flathead screwdrivers are used for flat slotted screws. Phillips screwdrivers are designed for star-shaped screws and are more commonly used in FRC projects. Choosing the right screwdriver is very important. If you use the wrong size or type of screwdriver, you can wear or damage the screw head, so pay attention to the pattern and the size of the screw head. Place the tip of the screwdriver firmly in the screw head. If the tip slips, it means you haven't chosen the right screwdriver. Hold the screwdriver at a right angle when tightening or loosening a screw. This will prevent loss of power and damage to the screw head. Hold the screwdriver handle firmly in your palm and turn it using your wrist to get a strong grip. Extra tip: if you're working with electric screwdrivers or drills, start at a low speed and gradually increase the power. This will protect the screw head. Screwdriver sets are very practical because they come in different sizes and types of bits. For FRC projects, Phillips screwdrivers ranging from 2mm to 6mm will usually do the trick. If you use screwdrivers often, getting a quality screwdriver set can make your job a lot easier. Screwdriver sets come with a variety of bits, and the following sizes are commonly used in FRC projects: Phillips PH0, PH1, and PH2, which are common Phillips bits, from small to large. Hex bits are commonly used in FRC, especially for motor mounts. Torx bits are preferred for more specialized head screws. For maintenance, clean your screwdriver bits regularly and protect them from rust. If the bit is worn, it is best to replace it. Working with a worn bit will not only make your job harder, but it will also damage the screw head. Keeping your set clean and lubricating the bits will extend the life of your screwdrivers. Thank you for watching and see you on the next episode of Make It In 2.